Abdullah dough kneader 5 kg being checked for delivery to our valued customer Mr. Ayaz near Qaidabad, Karachi. The machine is okay from all the sides. This is the back side. This is from the bottom, and now we'll start it. The machine has started. It has a metal blade included and a measuring flask. It will automatically stop when the timer comes to the off position. Excellent machine for dough kneading. Atta Goondnay की machine. Abdullah's genuine AE221 5 kg capacity. The timer has come to the off position and the machine has automatically stopped. It is okay, and now we'll pack it in its carton.